ओके, तर आज आपल्याला मॉर्फोलॉजिकल एव्हिडन्सेस फॉर इव्होल्यूशन काय शिकायचंय. मॉर्फोलॉजिकल मॉर्फोलॉजी evidences of evolution. Okay. Morphological evidences of evolution. Morphology means what? External characteristic of living organisms, plants and animals. And anatomy means internal structure. Study of internal structure of plants and animals is called as anatomy. Okay. Now, morphological evidences and anatomical evidences comparatively studied and scientists view the evolution or evidences for evolution. पण त्यामध्ये अनाटॉमी आणि मॉर्फॉलॉजी या दोन ब्रांचेस ने आपल्याला इव्होल्युशनचे पुरावे दिले. कंपॅरेटिव्ह स्टडी करू. ओके, तर मग त्यामध्ये आपल्याला सांगितलेले देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गन्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अ होमोलॉगस ऑर्गन. होमोलॉगस organs. Okay, homologous organs means what? Yes, structurally similar, but superficially they look like a different. But they have anatomically similar structure and they perform different functions. These organs, such organs of living organisms, are called as which organs? Homologous organs. For example, you can have 4 limbs of the vertebrates. An example, that's a 4 limbs of vertebrates. Vertebrates take 4 limbs. Okay. For example, just look like 4 limbs of birds, 4 limbs of man, 4 limbs of bats, birds, again lizards, whale, man, horse. या सर्व प्राण्यांच्या ज्या 4 limbs आहेत त्यांची जर अनाटॉमी बघितली आपण, joints and structure of bones similar आहे. बोनची अनाटॉमी जसं की वर्टिब्रेट्स मध्ये 4 limbsचा जो हा पार्ट असतो, जसं ह्युमन बीइंग मध्ये याला काय म्हणतो आपण, इथे जे बोन आहे त्याला काय म्हणतात, ह्युमरस. या भागामध्ये 2 बोन्स आहेत आणि त्याच्यानंतर इथे 8 बोन्स आहेत छोटे छोटे. या भागामध्ये 5 बोन्स आहेत आणि इकडे फॅलेंजेस आहेत. ह्युमरस, रेडियस अल्ना, कार्पल्स, metacarpals, phalanges. Okay. Same type of arrangement of the bones in the 4 limbs of horse, wings of bat, 4 limbs of monkeys, isn't it? So all these organisms, animals have same joints of the bones, but they perform different functions. For example, human beings use their hand for grasping, and horse use their 4 limbs for running. Bats use for flying, isn't it? याचा अर्थ हे वेगवेगळे प्राणी आहेत, पण यांच्यामध्ये ते काय 4 limbs आहेत. हे 4 limbs वेगवेगळ्या कामासाठी वापरतात. Means these organs of vertebrates have same anatomical structure, but they have different functions, and that's why these organs are called as homologous organs. But homologous organs means they are structurally similar but perform different functions. They are called as homologous organs. ठीक आहे. अनाटॉमिकली त्यांचे जे जॉईंट्स आहेत बोनचे ते काय राहतात. अजून एखादं उदाहरण जसं की फोर लिम्स ऑफ व्हर्टिब्रेट्स बघितलं आपण. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल काय, vertebrates, heart and brain. Their origin or their superficial structures are they are structurally similar but they perform different functions. Brain and heart of the vertebrates. Another example in case of plants is tendrils of cucurbita and thorn of bougainvillea. बॉगनविलाचा थॉर्न काटा आणि तो जो कुकुरबिटा आहे त्याचं काय टेंड्रिल्स वायरी स्ट्रक्चर सेन्सिटिव्ह. सो दीज आर स्ट्रक्चरली सिमिलर बिकॉज दे आर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द बर्ड. ऍक्सिलरी बर्ड पासून त्यांची निर्मिती झालेली असते. पण त्यांचं जे काही फंक्शन आहे functions are different. What is the function of tendril in cucurbita? Mechanical support. And what is the function of thorn? Protection. From browsing animals. Isn't it? So, these organs in plants, that is the thorn of the bougainvillea and tendrils, wiry structure of the cucurbita, they are structurally similar or their origin is similar, but they perform different functions in those plants. And such organs are, as I have already told you, such organs are called as homologous organs. Got it? How these homologous organs help in the study of evolution? How they become evidence for the evolution? Because these organs traces which type of evolution? Divergent type of evolution. Keep in mind. What is divergent type of evolution? They provide adaptive radiations. Means original species produces or give rise to the different types of species. एका कॉमन ancestor पासून वेगवेगळ्या स्पेसिस काय होणे जनरेट होणे तयार होणे याला काय म्हणायचं adaptive radiation, which we have already studied. Adaptive radiation means a different types of varieties of organism have common ancestors. That is called as adaptive radiation. Okay. And these homologous organs of different organisms provide support for the evolution because they stress which type of evolution? Divergent type of evolution. Which type of evolution? Divergent. Divergent evolution. Keep in mind, this point is very important. Divergent evolution. Okay. These organs provide divergent evolution. Again, they are very important or they play a significant role in the evolution. Okay. So these are the points which you should remember. See, second evidence or morphological and anatomically comparatively study of the these branches. These provide another example that is organ that is analogous organ. This is first one, four limbs of or this is homologous organ. Second type of organ is analogous organ. Analogous. Okay. Analogous organ means what? We will see in detail. Analogous organs are, as we already studied that, homologous organs are structurally dissimilar. No, structurally similar, but they perform structurally similar, but they perform different function. This is the main point. What? Structurally similar, but they perform different function. That is called as homologous organs. Now, analogous organs are completely opposite of those organs. That is homologous. How? Analogous organs are structurally dissimilar, but they perform same function. लक्षात तर ते दिसायला किंवा त्याची जी अनाटॉमी ती कशी वेगवेगळी पण त्याचं कार्य सेम. अशा ऑर्गन्सला काय म्हणतात अनालॉगस ऑर्गन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल eye of octopus and eyes of mammals. The position of the retina and the structure of the other eye are different. Means they are structurally dissimilar. They are structurally dissimilar. But octopus as well as mammals use their eyes for vision, isn't it? Means ते त्यांच्या रेटिनाची पोझिशन, लेन्सची पोझिशन असेल, वेगवेगळे जे पार्ट्स आहेत त्यांच्या डोळ्याचे, मॅमल्स आणि ऑक्टोपसच्या डोळ्याबद्दल बोलतो. तर ते काय डिफरंट आहे, स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरंट आहे. त्याची पोझिशन ऑफ रेटिना असेल, पोझिशन ऑफ लेन्स असेल किंवा अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द आईज, दे आर स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरंट बट दे परफॉर्म सेम फंक्शन. वाय? बिकॉज ऑक्टोपस आणि मॅमल्स वापर काय करतात डोळ्याचा बघण्याचा. ठीक आहे, सेम काम आहे. त्याला म्हणायचं अनालॉगस ऑर्गन विच आर स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरंट बट फंक्शनली सेम. ओके, एक्झाम्पल काय सांगितलं आपण त्याला? एक्झाम्पल सांगितलं आय ऑफ ऑक्टोपस आणि मॅमल्स. अजून सेकंड एक्झाम्पल काय यांचं, या अनालॉगस ऑर्गनचं सेकंड एक्झाम्पल आहे फ्लिपर्स. Flippers of penguins and dolphin. Both are used for same function, that is swim. कशासाठी वापरल्या जातात फ्लिपर्स? पेंग्विनचे सुद्धा आणि डॉल्फिनचे. डॉल्फिन इज अ फिश बट पेंग्विन इज अ बर्ड विच लिव्ह इन द वॉटर. नो, their wings are modified into flippers and the flippers are used for the swimming, not for flying. कशासाठी वापरल्या जातात त्यांचे फ्लिपर्स? पोहण्यासाठी, बिकॉज दॅट इज ॲक्वाटिक बर्ड. कोणता? पेंग्विन. And dolphin is a fish. And dolphin has flippers and used for swimming, but their structure are different. Structurally, flippers of penguins and flippers of dolphins are different, but they have same function, that is swimming. Means these organs are analogous to each other. हे काय आहेत एकमेकांशी analogous. ठीक आहे. Another one example is sweet potato. Is this a plant? Sweet potato and potato. They are structurally different because irregularly spherical on potato and sweet potato is a spindle shape. But although they have different structure, but they perform same function. What is that? Storage of food. पोटॅटो सुद्धा फूड स्टोर करतो, कारण काय टिश्यू राहतो त्याच्यात. आणि स्वीट पोटॅटो सुद्धा काय करतं त्या झाडाचा? फूड स्टोरेज. म्हणजे काय त्यांचं कार्य एकच आहे, पण त्यांचं स्ट्रक्चरली दे आर डिफरंट. सो these are called as analogous organs. But these analogous organs do not have more do not play significant role in the evolution. जास्त महत्व नाही evolution. का? कारण या analogous organ पासून जे evolutionचा प्रकार होतो त्या evolutionच्या टाईपला म्हणतात convergent type of evolution. Analogous organ traces which type of evolution? Convergent type of evolution. त्याच्यामुळं काय नाही होत, याचं जास्त महत्व नाही कशामध्ये? इव्होल्युशन. इव्होल्युशन मध्ये जास्त इम्पॉर्टन्स नसणे म्हणजे काय? इट प्रोव्हाइड कन्व्हर्जन टाइप ऑफ इव्होल्युशन. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय डायव्हर्जन? अ सिंगल ऑर्गॅनिझम गिव्ह राईज टू द डिफरंट टाइप ऑफ स्पेसिस. बट इन केस ऑफ दिस कन्व्हर्जंट इव्होल्युशन, more than, suppose we have 10 organisms, different types of species. This give rise to the 4 type of new species, and this 4 type of new species give rise to the 2 type of new species, and 2 new species giving rise to the single species. It means that this is called a convergent type of evolution, and it do not have any more significant role in the evolution. Okay, so this is called as which type of organ? Analogous organ. Now there is a work for you. What it is? Distinguish between homologous and analogous. So what will you say? Our distinguish of these two, homologous and analogous. Homologous organs are structurally similar but functionally dissimilar. Analogous organs are structurally dissimilar but functionally similar. Second one, homologous organs traces divergent type of evolution, and analogous organ traces convergent type of evolution. Homologous organs Homologous organ have significant role in the evolution, and analogous organ do not have significant role in the evolution. So, in this way, you can distinguish between the homologous and analogous. Okay. Another one evidence given by this anatomy and morphological evidences, that is which type of organ? Vestigial organ. Which one? Vestigial organ. What is vestigial organ? Vestigial organ means those organs which are functionless but present in the body of that organism. But that organ might be useful for the other relative organism of that species or their ancestor. They are called as vestigial organ. असे अवयव जे त्या प्राण्याच्या शरीरामध्ये आहेत पण काहीच कामाचे नाही. यूज काहीच नाही त्या सजीवाच्या बॉडीमध्ये त्या ऑर्गनला. त्या ऑर्गनला काय म्हणायचं? वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन. पण तोच ऑर्गन त्याच्या रिलेटिव्ह मध्ये किंवा त्याच्या अँसेस्टर मध्ये काय होता? फंक्शनल होता. अशा ऑर्गनला काय म्हणतात? वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन. And vestigial organs are very important, which traces the evolutionary link, because we know that in case of human being, there are several number of vestigial organs in our body, such as what we call appendix, nictitating membrane of our eyes. Again, coccygeal bone, isn't it? These organs traces evolution, or they tell us about our ancestor. That's why vestigial organs are very important in the evolution. Okay, how many types of organs are there for evolution? Or evidences? Three. Homologous, analogous, and vestigial. Okay, thank you.